In this video you'll discover exactly how to get car insurance in Wisconsin. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Here, we've got a topic that's essential for every driver out there getting car insurance in Wisconsin. Whether you're a new driver or just moving to the state, understanding the ins and outs of car insurance in Wisconsin is crucial. Stick around as we break down the process step by step. 1. Why car insurance is important. Before we dive into the how-tos, let's quickly talk about why car insurance is so important. In Wisconsin, as in most states, having car insurance is not only a legal requirement but also provides you with financial protection in case of accidents, damage, or theft. 2. Minimum coverage requirements. Okay, let's talk specifics. In Wisconsin, you're required to have a minimum liability coverage of $25,000/50/10. That means $25,000 for bodily injury per person, $50,000 for bodily injury per accident, and $10,000 for property damage. 3. Shopping for car insurance. Now, how do you go about finding the right insurance? Well, there are a few ways. You can start by reaching out to local insurance agents, or you can use online comparison tools to get quotes from multiple providers. Don't forget to consider factors like coverage options, deductibles, and customer reviews when making your decision. 4. Factors affecting your premium. Your car insurance premium isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's influenced by various factors, including your driving record, age, gender, location, and the type of car you drive. So, keep these in mind as you shop around for the best deal. 5. Discounts and savings. Who doesn't love a good discount, right? Well, car insurance companies offer various discounts that can help you save some bucks. Look into safe driver discounts, good student discounts, bundling policies, and even discounts for certain safety features in your vehicle. 6. Required proof of insurance. Once you've chosen your insurance provider, you'll need to carry proof of insurance in your car at all times. This usually comes in the form of an insurance card provided by your insurer. 7. The claims process. Hopefully, you'll never need to use it, but it's essential to know how the claims process works. If you're in an accident or experience any other covered event, you'll need to contact your insurance company as soon as possible to start the claims process. 8. Staying informed. Laws and regulations can change, and so can your insurance needs. It's a good idea to stay informed about any updates in Wisconsin's car insurance laws and periodically review your coverage to ensure it still meets your needs. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. A guide on how to get car insurance in Wisconsin. Remember, driving without insurance can lead to hefty fines and other legal consequences, so it's always best to be covered. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.